Alright guys, bad day, got pulled over, doing 97 on a 65, and now, he didn't run out of gas.
I want to double take it.
Out here in California, I thought the speed limit was at least 75. What's the four-cylinder head? I never knew they had a turbo for this. That's crazy, yeah. That's tight, dude. You got, it's a 6-speed?
Yeah, it's a 6-speed, but it's an automatic.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Damn, automatic and the blow off. Just got back, and today we're selling the R class today. So say farewell to this project. I've been trying to sell it, so today's the day. Getting rid of it. Say farewell to the R class. Getting rid of it. A new buyer. Say farewell. Sold. I did have some stuff on the way for the S-Class, so hopefully shed some light on this, you know, on this past few days. What we have here now, this is the first time I ordered from this place, so I'm not even sure how the quality of this is. We'll see. This is gonna be an issue. I mean, you know, you can always heat the vinyl up, but nonetheless, let's see if I could.
R sold, sad to say, but I knew I was gonna sell it sooner or later because it just had so many cars that I had my eye on, and for the most part, you know, I got the R class probably way better than it was when I first bought it. Where I bought the car, things should be running solid now. Now, unfortunately, you know, I had to took that hit with the fuel pump that went out. So might have had a little bad luck with that R class for me. But you know, for the channel, time to switch it up, get some new content in here, start posting again. Thanks for watching again. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe. I'm back. New projects coming soon. New vehicle. And as you can see, the S definitely isn't going anywhere. More stuff coming on this. Actually scheduled an appointment to get the X-pipe resonators out on this thing, so be on the lookout for that video. So, probably next week. So that's the only time they can fit me in. So if you wanna see or know how a S550 sounds with secondary cat delete and X-pipe, stay tuned. Like I said, still searching for the next project. Definitely, you know, gonna do it my style, my way. So whatever it is gonna get the style and fitment, kind of like how you see here. I already have some wheels I'm building because I'm probably most likely gonna lean with another Mercedes or Audi. So just wait and see. Don't worry, I'm back. I didn't go anywhere. Got more videos coming up, more projects, more DIY. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you.